Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of hair care with the Bio Ionic Smart-X hair dryer with Diffuser, a high-efficiency blow dryer designed to revolutionize your styling routine. This innovative dryer features 3 heat and 3 speed settings, allowing you to customize your drying experience to suit your hair type and desired style. The included diffuser gently dries your hair while defining curls and reducing frizz, leaving you with salon-quality results at home. What sets the Smart-X apart is its self-cleaning function, ensuring your dryer remains in top condition for consistent performance. Engineered with advanced ionic technology, this dryer not only speeds up drying time but also enhances shine and smoothness. Whether you're aiming for sleek straight locks or bouncy curls, the Bio Ionic Smart-X hair dryer is your go-to tool for achieving professional results effortlessly. So, get ready to transform your hair care routine and enjoy the benefits of this cutting-edge styling tool. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.